So this tutorial is going to be focusing on how you can activate your Metafutures account. Okay, for those who are just coming across this for the first time, for you to use the Metafutures, you have to pay an annual fee. Okay, the annual fee is like an access fee. So when you make that annual fee, it is going to serve you for 1 year. Okay, so you have to activate your account. Now, the Metafuture is a futures trading bot. Okay, it's a tool like every other tool. Okay, you need to learn how to use it correctly so that you can profit with the bot. So they have a super bot and they have a hedge bot. Now that is just by the way. We are here to activate our account, and I'm here to demonstrate to you how it can be done. So if you are a returning subscriber, I salute you and thanks for being a part of this community. And if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, I want to encourage you to try as much as possible and subscribe to the channel, then turn on your notification bell for more notifications of amazing videos that I upload on this channel. All right, so then you can share this with your friends. Okay, probably you know someone who is struggling to make money on futures, on Binance futures, then you can as well share this link with them. Now, how do you activate it? Now, this is the demo account. Okay, as you can see, there's a demo balance right here of about $500. Okay, that is what I'm going to be practicing with. Okay, and when I'm practicing, I'm going to be updating this channel. Okay, and when I switch to a live account, I'm going to be updating the channel with my real my real-time information. Okay, my real-time profit and loss and everything. I'll be here to update everyone on this channel. Okay, so that is why you need to subscribe and follow this channel keenly. All right, so now let's go. Let's say we want to activate this bot. I'm going to come here and click on this. Then I'll click on, currently the status is inactive. As you can see, it is inactive. So I'm going to click on inactive. Then it will trigger an address. Okay, an address I can use to deposit. So now it says to activate your ID, you deposit exactly 150 USDT to the above address in single transaction. First deposit should be 150. After that, you can deposit any amount to your assets balance. Note, assets are not withdrawable. Okay, there are two things you need to take note of. First, you must not deposit twice. Make the deposit once. Okay, not as if because you want to deposit 150 USDT, you now deposit 100 first. They now went to another wallet to deposit, to send 50. Okay, that is the first transaction that you sent is 0. Okay, so the second one too is also 0. It's not going to add up, so it's like a waste of money. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys. So now all you need to do is just to copy this address. All right, so when you copy this address, then you go to your Tron wallet. So I prefer that you use Tron wallet. Use a wallet that you have control over. That is advisable. Use a wallet that you have control over. Okay, I don't encourage people to send from exchange. Okay, so what you're going to do is that send from exchange. As you can see, if you look at my transactions right here, let me see, you can see that I sent from exchange down to my private wallet. Okay, so then from private wallet I'm going to send because I have control over that wallet. So I've already copied the address. Okay, let me do it again so that I can be sure. Okay, copied. Then I'll come here and go to USDT. When I get to USDT, I'll click on send. So I will paste the address. Okay, I will paste the address. So in the address you have HYO. Okay, you have DPR, something like that. Yeah, so I'm going to be sure that I'm sending to the right address. So I'll click on next. So I'll enter the amount. 150 is the amount. Okay, no more, no less. No more, no less. So 150. So the next thing I'm going to do at this point is to click on done, and I'll click send. So when I click send, you know, it says transaction may fail due to insufficient Tron. Okay, that's not true. There's enough Tron in this wallet. Or if you're doubting it, then let's go back and see the amount of Tron that we have left in the wallet. Oh, we don't have enough Tron. Okay. Anyways, is there any way I can actually top up this amount of Tron? Well, let's go with the transaction first. Let's see. So I will send, paste, next, then 150. Okay, send. Man, this fee is a little bit on the high side, but let's go on. Although I shouldn't be spending up to that actually. So at this stage, I'm going to pause this video. So I had to go to exchange and buy some Tron because I discovered that the amount of Tron I have in the wallet will not be enough to be used as gas fee for this transaction. So, excuse me, I'm going to go back to the Metafutures. Okay, so I'll go back to Metafutures. I'll go back, then click on inactive status again, so I can get the deposit address. As you can see, this address okay, so I copy the address and I'll go back to my Tron wallet, then click on send. No, I'll click on USDT and I'll click on send. I'll paste the address. Okay, I'll paste the address. Let me be sure that, okay, TAPEV, is that the same thing? Yeah, exactly. So I'll click on next and I will type 150. Okay, no more, no less, and I'll click on send. So when I click on send, I'll click on confirm. Then I'll input the password. So after inputting the password, I'll click on confirm. Okay, so the transaction will be broadcasted. It says, yeah, transaction record on the chain. Transaction record on the chain. You may click view transaction for more details. So done. Okay, done. It's been debited already. So if I go to this point and I click on the transaction details, you can say that it is successful. Okay, so I'm waiting on this platform now. Okay, I'm waiting for them to actually confirm the transaction from this side. Let me check the deposit history. So on the deposit history, there is nothing here. Okay, so let's check them again. So we're going to check the deposit history, or probably maybe I should close the app, then launch it again. So I'll launch the app again. Probably it is going to refresh. I'll ignore the updates. So I'll come back to update the app later, but not yet. Okay, so I'll come here. It says that it is still inactive. Yeah, so as you can see, even though it took me like about 5 to 10 minutes, they finally confirmed the transaction, and the account is now active. So if I should go here now, you can see that the account status has changed from the inactive to active. Okay, so now from this stage now, I can begin to demo trade if I want. Okay, I can begin to demo trade if I want, and probably after a week of demo trading and getting the hang of this platform, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to switch to a live trading account. Okay, for if you know me quite well, you know that I have experience in stuff like this. I've used quite a number of bots in the last few years, okay, in the last 4 to 5 years, and I'm a profitable futures trader. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to ways I can automate my trading strategies. Okay, and that is why I'm going to be leveraging this bot. Okay, and I'm looking forward to a platform where I can create a strategy that other people can follow. Okay, so in crypto niche community on Telegram and WhatsApp, we have a couple of people who are going to be interested in stuff like this, and I want to be their strategy manager. Like, I do the hard work for them. They only need to follow me and make profit together with me. Okay, so if this is something that you like, make sure that you join the Telegram group or you send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, and let me know if it's exactly what you want. Okay, so they can join my team. All right, let's make some profit together. Let's make some money together. All right, so have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think, and share with your friends. Have a great day and bye for now.